Hey home enthusiasts, get ready to revolutionize your living space because today we're unlocking the ultimate guide to elevate your home like never before. Welcome to the prefab paradise, where hacks meet innovation and upgrades redefine your living experience. But before we dive in, make sure you're part of our growing community by hitting that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store. Now let's transform your home into a masterpiece. Prefab homes are fantastic, but let's face it, we all crave that extra touch of individuality. That's where the magic of hacks and upgrades comes in. We're about to embark on a journey that will turn your dwelling into a personalized haven. From simple tweaks to jaw-dropping transformations, we've got the inside scoop on how to make your space uniquely yours. Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to a home that reflects your personality. From smart technology to space-saving solutions, we're covering it all. 1. Smart Home Hub. Upgrade your prefab home with a smart home hub like the Google Home or Amazon Echo that centralizes control of your lighting, security, and appliances. It's the ultimate convenience at your fingertips. This investment streamlines your home automation experience and enhances convenience. A central control hub acts as the brains of your connected devices, allowing seamless integration and automation of various functions. From adjusting lighting and thermostats to managing security systems and even controlling entertainment devices, a smart home hub offers a streamlined and user-friendly experience. With the ability to monitor and control your home remotely through a smartphone app, the upgrade not only enhances day-to-day convenience, but also contributes to energy efficiency and security. 2. Solar Power System. Switching to a solar power system is a sustainable and cost-effective way to upgrade your home's energy infrastructure. By harnessing the power of the sun, solar panels generate electricity that can be used to power your home, reducing your dependence on traditional grid-based energy sources. This not only helps the environment by decreasing your carbon footprint, but also leads to long-term savings on your energy bills. In addition to the financial and environmental benefits, upgrading to a solar power system enhances the overall value of your home. Governments and local authorities also offer incentives, such as tax credits or rebates, to encourage the adoption of renewable energy. As a homeowner, making the switch to solar not only aligns with the global push towards sustainability, but also positions your property as a modern and energy-efficient residence. 3. Hidden storage solutions. Transforming your home with hidden storage solutions is a clever and space-maximizing upgrade. By seamlessly integrating storage into existing furniture or architectural elements, you can declutter your living spaces while maintaining a sleek and minimalist aesthetic. Hidden storage solutions include under-stair compartments, built-in wall cabinets, and furniture with concealed storage compartments. These discrete storage options not only optimize space, but also contribute to a more organized and visually appealing home. Say goodbye to visible clutter and welcome a stylish and functional living space by embracing the simplicity and efficiency of hidden storage solutions. 4. Smart Lighting. Elevating your home with smart lighting is a modern and efficient upgrade that transforms the way you interact with your living spaces. Smart lighting systems enable you to control the ambience and brightness of your home with a touch or a voice command. Whether adjusting the lighting for different moods, setting schedules, or remotely managing them through a smartphone app, these systems provide unparalleled flexibility. Additionally, smart lighting contributes to energy efficiency by allowing you to optimize usage and reduce unnecessary electricity consumption. 5. Vertical gardens. Revitalize your living space by embracing the trend of vertical gardens, a refreshing and space-efficient upgrade for your home. Vertical gardens, also known as green walls, transform walls or unused vertical spaces into lush, thriving ecosystems of plants. Not only do they add a touch of natural beauty to your surroundings, but they also offer several practical benefits. These living walls act as natural air purifiers, enhancing indoor air quality, and can serve as a creative solution for small or limited outdoor spaces. 6. Convertible furniture. Revamp your living space with the versatility and functionality of convertible furniture. From sofas that transform into beds to dining tables that extend or fold away, these pieces cater to dynamic living arrangements. Ideal for small spaces or those looking to maximize utility, convertible furniture adapts to your charging needs. Embrace the convenience of a living room that becomes a guest room in seconds, or a dining area that effortlessly converts into a spacious workspace. With stylish designs and practical solutions, upgrading your home with convertible furniture is a savvy investment. 7. Accent walls. Upgrade your interior design game with budget-friendly DIY accent walls. Accent walls are a creative way to add a burst of color, texture, or pattern to a room, instantly revitalizing the overall aesthetic. Whether using bold paint colors, eye-catching wallpaper, or textured materials, such as reclaimed wood or stone, accent walls draw attention and create focal points. This design trend allows homeowners to experiment with their personal taste without committing to a full room makeover. By incorporating accent walls, you can transform a space, making it visually engaging and reflecting your unique design preferences, ultimately enhancing the ambience of your home. 8. Smart thermostat. Keep your prefab home comfortable and efficient with a smart thermostat. We'll explain the benefits and how it pays off in energy savings. What makes smart thermostats so clever? They not only guarantee a comfortable temperature in your house, but they also save you money and, coincidentally, combat climate change by utilizing energy resources more efficiently. Naturally, the most intelligent ones carry out all of that. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, our top choice, maintained a more consistently pleasant temperature throughout the year than any other model we tested, most likely due to its ability to determine how humidity affects comfort. 9. Tech-infused appliances. Upgrade your kitchen and beyond with tech-infused appliances. From smart refrigerators to voice-controlled ovens, we'll explore the latest innovations. From smart refrigerators that notify you about expiring groceries to voice-activated thermostats and energy-efficient smart lighting. These innovations not only enhance functionality, but also contribute to a more connected home environment. 10. Floating shelves. Create stylish and functional spaces with floating shelves. These sleek and space-saving wonders not only add a touch of modern elegance to your walls, but also provide versatile storage solutions. Floating shelves mounted without visible brackets create an illusion of weightlessness and open up your living space. Perfect for showcasing cherished decor, organizing books, or displaying artwork, these shelves offer a minimalist and customizable way to declutter and personalize your home. 11. Concrete countertops. Elevate your kitchen with concrete countertops. These countertops offer a unique blend of industrial charm and functionality, providing a sleek surface that stands the test of time. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, concrete countertops are highly customizable, allowing you to choose colors, textures, and finishes that suit your design preferences. The robust nature of concrete ensures resistance to scratches and heat, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas. Embrace the versatility and resilience of concrete countertops to bring a touch of urban sophistication to your home, blending form and function seamlessly. 12. High-efficiency windows. Upgrade to high-efficiency windows for improved insulation and energy savings. These windows, equipped with advanced technology such as double or triple glazing and low emissivity coatings, play a pivotal role in regulating indoor temperature and reducing energy consumption. By minimizing heat transfer and preventing drafts, high-efficiency windows not only enhance insulation, but also contribute to lower utility bills. Upgrade to these windows, and not only will you be creating a cozier living space, but you'll also be taking a significant step towards a more sustainable and cost-effective home. 13. Smart security systems. Fortify your home with the cutting-edge protection of smart security systems, an intelligent upgrade that brings peace of mind to modern living. With features like real-time monitoring, motion sensors, and remote access via smartphone apps, these systems provide a comprehensive shield against potential threats. Say goodbye to traditional locks and hello to keyless entry, as smart security systems offer seamless integration with smart doorbells, cameras, and alarms. Receive instant alerts, monitor your property from anywhere, and enhance the safety of your home with this tech-savvy upgrade. 14. Luxury vinyl flooring. Upgrade your flooring with luxury vinyl for a high-end look without the hefty price tag. Mimicking the look of natural materials like hardwood or stone, luxury vinyl flooring adds a touch of sophistication without the high maintenance. With its water-resistant and scratch-resistant properties, this flooring solution is not just stylish, but also stands up to the demands of everyday life, making it an ideal option for high-traffic areas. 15. Outdoor spaces. Finally, transform your living experience by upgrading your home with inviting outdoor spaces, an enhancement that seamlessly blends the boundaries between indoor comfort and the great outdoors. Whether it's a cozy patio, a lush garden, or a spacious deck, dedicating attention to your outdoor areas adds valuable square footage to your living space. These outdoor retreats provide a refreshing escape, ideal for relaxation, entertainment, and even alfresco dining. With the right furniture, lighting, and landscaping, you can create a seamless extension of your indoor living space, making your home feel more expansive and well-connected with nature. There you have it, folks. 15 hacks and upgrades to turn your home into a masterpiece. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home transformation inspiration.